Hi, my name is Cecilia Hassan. I'll be doing SNACKEMS International for my CEO, Jonathan Ramirez. Um, okay, so some key improvement goals for feature one, which is to minimize the number of steps for ordering process. So for this, I plan to minimize the number of steps for ordering process to different stores that will be convenient for non-technology users. When ordering more products in bulks, you have to see the quantity in each package that is delivered. And I plan to implement a software that can reorder orders from the past 6 months, depending on the consumer's history of how far back. This will make the process much easier. You can simply reorder products and make adjustments as needed. When it comes to ordering new products, I can incorporate a select delivery date and which store to send following its appropriate barcode so that we can track for delivery. So for feature number two, which is to simplify users' interface and complement users' hardware, so for this one, I plan to use the GPS on the hardware so that it can communicate know which stores the hardware is at. This would eliminate the need for a scroll down option of which stores your hardware will be available at. Okay. Feature number three is to integrate the company's logistics inventory into an easy to access database. So for this one, I want to make this available to customers, such as that the computer will be able to locate the product from their location and direct the customers from the products of goods. So you could literally go to a computer station. It'll have all the data information that is needed. You look up so and so brand from your directory from where you're at. It'll direct you where in the store to locate it. So this can be simplified to a bestseller on website, but directory current inventory of products. So feature number four, develop a way for users to communicate products logistics to customers via iPad. So it's important for users to be able to communicate with employees about the product that is being sold. Though some may find it easier to communicate effectively regarding a product over the web with pop-up message from a chat if you run into any problems or concerns. I can use something similar to that type of software where users have the option to opt into a chat. And let me see. That would like to opt into a chat or would like to communicate over the phone. The product's nutrition label and other information will be available online for users to view, and if the customer still has further questions, that can be asked within the opted chat. So the different iterations, so I have a total of 8. So for the first iteration is to create a database to order different orders that can be customized at the store's convenience. The second is to create a database to order new orders that will be saved in the history section of the option to reorder products. Number 3 is to create a GPS system that would acknowledge to know which stores the user is at. Number 4 is to create a backup database or system to use in case the server is interrupted. Number 5 is to create a database to view inventory at different computer stations around the store. Number 6 is to link the database of inventory with a location from the current users to the product they are looking for an accessible way to find its products. Number 7 is to create a chat server for customers to communicate with representatives. And number 8, we want to be able to create that chat server so that you'll be able to identify users with email address to view users' profiles. So the plan is that since we have a total of 8 different iterations and we have 6 programmers and the velocity rate is 0.7, so I calculated that to 33.6, but I just went ahead and rounded up, and it should be done within 34 days.